Today I am going to do a dramatic look. So sit back and relax and enjoy and have fun with me. So starting off with foundation, I'm using there it is there, tilt down. It's the It Cosmetics Better Than Skin CC Cream. And the colour is medium, so here we go. Ow! I poked myself in the face with my fingernail. I do silly things like that quite often. The birds think it's spring. It is quite a nice day out there. Now I've gone back to filming on my camera rather than on my iPhone, and rather than have the ring light around the camera, I've actually set it back a bit further. I'll see if that stops the flashback. I'm learning. Never too old to learn. So I'm learning. Now I'm going to brush off my shirt, prime my eyes with Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Lid off. Oh no, wrong thing. I have to put a bit of it. Come out, come out. Yep. Spread it all over. Should actually use a brush. Never mind, fingers just as good. I have a makeup wipe to wipe it off. I need to stop talking quietly. I have noticed that. I talk quietly, so I have to increase the volume when I'm editing. But I really do need to start talking a bit louder. Right, that one's done. White fingers, dry fingers. Now, first colour I'm using is the Revlon Perle, and the colour, when I get it open, and blow off the overflow, bring it down silly, we'll put it in the other hand. It's that colour. I forget what it's called. The brush, it's a Morphy brush. Yep. Now I'm going to put that all over my eyes as a base colour. Right, now I'm going to do, I'll keep that out. Same brush. Going to go in with this one, which is this colour, and I'm going to put that on the entire eyelid just to see, just for a difference. Bring it up a bit. Yeah. As always with makeup, it starts like when an artist starts a painting, you look and you go, and then suddenly it all just comes together. So I'm hoping. I can but only hope. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get another brush. This one is that's my L&Y, I think it is. Go back into the first one, this one. And just on the inside. And blend. There's those small things. As you get older, small things are more interesting to you. Tomorrow we're going to a caravan show, so that's going to be interesting. Small thing. And yes, it's okay because we will still maintain the social distancing, so we'll see how it goes. This is this one. It's a NYX roll-on eyeshadow. And then put that on there. And put that on there. Not bad, not bad. Clean up will be better. Okay. Next is clean up. Now I use a wipe to face wipe, makeup removal wipe or whatever you call it, to do the clean up. I prefer it. I didn't the other day when I did my eyes, but I am this time. Get out of there. Get out of there. Okay. Go back in with my CC cream and put it back under my eyes. Oh, that was the wrong end. Never mind. I'll manage. Now, the fun part of doing all of this, apart from the eye makeup, is actually editing. I like editing. Change different things. Zoom me in, not you. Next step is mascara. Oh dear, every time I touch my eyes. This is my Volume Mineral Lashes. That's exactly right, from L'Oreal. We all have our favourites. I have this one and the Rimmel Wake Me Up. I talk to myself a lot, so that's why I talk low. Next, I did bring it. Where did I put that? I thought, no, it's all right. Don't worry about it. I changed my mind about using an eyeliner pencil. And this is the Makeup Revolution. Hold it so you can read it. Eyebrow, I nearly said eyeshadow. Eyebrow pencil in light brown. This is my Morphy palette. Those are the colours. And I'm going to use, turn it upside down, this one here. It does have a name. I will have it listed below. or that works. Okay, get my makeup wipe. Spoil for choice again with mirrors. Wipe that up there. Wow, can we not go all the way down my face? At this rate I'll be doing my entire face again. How's that? Kicky-poo. Okay, back in with the foundation. What do we think? Now I'm going to get my flat brush, this one. I'm going to use the same colour. Same colour. I should use the mirror. Don't worry about fallout, we'll get fallout later. How's that? Now I'm going to just this a little different with another brush. Yep, you'll do. No, you won't. Yep, you'll do. This is a desert brush. And just on the inside, I'm going to use this white one here. Just on the inside, bring it up, blend it in, bring it down. That works. Dramatic enough. I'll put that down. I don't need mascara on my bottom lids, but I will put another coat on. Do I need it on the top? Yes. Now see, I was going to do the black all over my lid, but I didn't. How's that? It is dramatic, isn't it? Makes my eyes look like two burnt holes. Okay, next step is my Maybelline Dream Lumi highlighting concealer. Underneath. And out. Picks up a million issues with it. Now look at that. Black on my hand. That's all right, we go back to the pet peeves. I hate dirt. No, that's wrong end. Brush. This one. And we'll smudge it out. I'm talking quietly again. Unbelievable Venice. I don't know, what do you think? Okay. Cheeks. And I'm going to use, I'll get it open. This is the MAC powder blush. This one. Pick it up. That's that. It's alright, I was thinking. Never mind, I'm cutting things out of this. Come in with that white again. Just inside. There. Lips. Because it's all about the drama, I'm going to use it's an Exaggerate one, Rimmel Exaggerate, and I believe this one's Red Diva. And I'm using a NYX lipstick, and the colour on this one is Black Cherry. What do you see? Now, we'll have a look at the eyes. And there we have it. What do you think? Dramatic enough? I think it is. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. Share. Thanks for watching. Beautiful.